And in that process, I had always heard about data science, and it's programming, and it involves probabilities, and your database skills will be useful. And I thought, that intersection of numbers and statistics and probability, and I guess still kind of get to work with code a little bit, and I still get to lead teams, I still get to use my leadership capabilities. I thought, okay, that's interesting to me. Like, I can find passion in that. I can find a passion in that intersection of all those different skills. And I liked that there were so many different skills involved. I kind of liked the thought of saying, hey, one day you'll be working in numbers, one day you'll be working in code, one day you'll be working in charts. Like, I kind of liked that you have to be extensible in that way, right? That really appealed to me. So I remember that I had this period. Well, I listen to a lot of audiobooks. When I tell you that I've read most books, it's usually an audiobook. But I still enjoy physical books, obviously. So I had this period where I lived kind of close to my local gym. So I would walk back and forth to the gym, and when I would walk back and forth, I would listen to Mastery by Robert Greene. And in that process of listening and reflecting, I really said, okay, you know what? Data science is where I want to be. That's my passion. But there was a challenge there, right?